I got this from an AliExpress vendor, and it didn't seem too soft. It seemed like doll hair, but it actually came out nice in the end. The vendor was very nice and quick with communication and shipping. It took like 3 days to get here. So I have the water, and I got the Adore Indigo Blue. I saw people using this on YouTube, so I'm gonna try that. Sorry for my nails in the camera. They're horrible right now. They're just broken off because I peeled my gel. But anyways, this is the wigs. I'm gonna try it and be right back. So I boiled my hot water and I just poured the dye, at least one bottle in there, and just stirred it up and mixed it to get ready to dip it. Now I'm just dipping the hair in the water. First I did the bottom just to see if it will take. And now I'm just gonna submerge the entire wig. That way I could get the color around the whole thing. It's completely submerged. Don't know why I'm putting hot water like it's not hot. But yeah, so I'm just gonna dip it a few times. So this is how it took. It took pretty well. There's like one area that's like a little bit light, but it's not too bad. Shampooed it, conditioned it, but to let it dry, and then come back to show you the end result. This is how it came out. It's really pretty. I'm not sure if I want to keep this like highlighted look or if I should do the dip method one more time, but it looks really good. The lace didn't take the blue dye, which is awesome, but yeah, I'll make another video when it's on my head. So this is the end result of the watercolor method, and it came out pretty nice. I only used one bottle of dye. I could have used two, but I like that some pieces, why do I keep knocking on my earring? Some pieces were like a lighter color, like you can see in the back. Yeah.